is solving one of the most important problem human race is facing at the moment, which is climate change. The only way to address the needs of future is using net zero strategies. As a design-led business, we are specialized in providing net zero architectural solutions to address social housing problems using modern method of construction. We work in a very specialized sector, which is using all the latest technologies to make sure that we can offer net zero operational carbon buildings. Who prices the project, which is very close to me? We try to achieve not just addressing the net zero operation carbon side, but also addressing the embodied carbon and making sure the building can act as an exemplar to close that performance gap. Not just close it, actually perform better than what we designed it. This is a very constrained site, which is very close to city center. It is next to St. George's Park, a really busy car park. It's a modular construction providing 11 units which are built out of 22 modules. These are houses which we build in our factories. They put them on transfer at the back of the lorry and installed over a podium using air rides in 12 weeks. So we are addressing social housing, but at the same time making sure the people who are going to be living in these buildings are not going to have a problem paying their energy bills. That issue first is by having a very highly efficient building fabric. Made sure we work in addressing daylight to make sure that the building is going to work using passive strategies without needing active heating or cooling throughout the year. And then we talk about the active solutions, which are around air source heat pumps, solar assisted heat pumps in mechanical ventilation heat recovery units, solar PVs, air-rated appliances, LED lighting. Externally, the building is sitting on top of a podium. It's quite advanced the way it's constructed using stainless steel screw pile, and at the same time integrating EV charging points. We added one additional car park on this site. We wanted the building to stand out. There was a heron which used to live in St. George's Park. The local artist really understood the brief and came up with a design to appreciate the local character. The modular industry had preconceived notion around prefabrication. This is where we came in with a solution which is well tested, certified, and a solution which is going to last. This is where the construction needs to go. The reason why they're better, not just the program and the cost certainty, but also the performance of the building. This building performed amazingly well. We did a post-occupancy evaluation and the results were outstanding. The building essentially performed 104%. That means the building was not just net zero, it's energy positive. It's generating more energy than what it consumed over the span of 12 months. Oh, it's really a proud moment. The people who are living in there are absolutely over the moon. We have got a very good positive feedback. This was the only project which was showcased in COP26 as a modular housing provider in UK. As a FCIAT Chartered Architectural Technologist, we are at the forefront of bringing these projects to life. We are not the one who can only visualize them during the planning stage, but we are the one who can make sure that they get built to that high level of specification, high level of performance. We can make sure that generations to come can thrive in the communities which we are building today.